We're here again. So last time I was here, I was working on a duck, but that's different. We'll get to that. Things are different now. We're getting to the good stuff, the motherboard stuff. Have a look. I went to a shop recently, and I loaded up. This is just one of them, but I have two PS2s upstairs that I'm working on. But the main thing. This is a PS4. Well, at least what remains of a PS4. I picked this up for $10. A whole lot for 40, right? And well, I opened the PS4. I've had good luck with these things before, and I genuinely thought, hey, I think it'll turn on first try, right? It didn't, but that's okay, because I looked in. The power supply is fine. Power supply's fine. Don't know about this guy. This is Gamer Juice, the good gunky stuff. I have a new cover plate for the HDD, which I'm just gonna put that over there. Yeah, that's yes. Come. Yeah, whole thing is absolute wreck. So, I'm gonna get to that today. But the big thing is that I was able to get it powered on. And the thing is, though, let's see if you can even see this. Right here. There's the power button, right? That's the power button. That's broken. Well, it does do a little. Does do a little click. 1 sec here, okay. After that rude interruption from my brother, we're back. So it's the button. This little microscopic son of a. That's what we're fixing today. So I've got this will be fun. I've got my little micro soldering kit here. I'm gonna boot this up for you guys to see, so that you guys can be a part of it too. Yay! And that's so I can see this easier too. So I'm gonna put this camera off to the side, get the audio, and I'm gonna sync the audio with the video up here. Let's just put that off to the side. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Let's see here. Can I remember how to record on this thing? Alright, recording. Nice, let's get some flux on there. Let that sink in. This is not my smallest job. I've gone smaller, but this is one of the smallest. It's been a while. That in there. Yes. Alright, that's all nice and in there. That's a lot of flux. I don't want that much flux. Alright, cool. It's my flux tip. Lovely. Time to get my little soldering iron going here. Is the tip correct? The tip is good. That'll work perfect. It's been a mess around here. This whole thing is just messy. I'm going crazy. I'm working on Xbox 360s and all that stuff. But yeah. I want this to work so bad that I only picked this up for $10. $10 for this thing. That's incredible. We're getting up there. Temperature-wise, it's getting there. Secure this down a little more. Where'd it go? There we go. A little sucker. I'll get that focused up. Alright, cool. Right, we are all systems a go. Pry up on this. I don't want to break anything, that's the thing. Oh, this sucks. Alright, time for the old add some solder. See how it works trick. So let's get my solder out here. Solder up the tip. See how far we get. There we go. That's what I'm looking for right there. Nice. Oh, well, I mean, like, we got some of it off. That's... Progress is being made. I don't want to ruin these pads, because once those pads are done, they're done. It's not good. This side now. Oh, it's all ripped up. Oh. Beautiful, Nat. I'm trying to slide everything off now. There we go. I don't know how it's got that crud. Ah, it's fine. Just that whole thing. That's good. There we go. For the cleanup, everything off. Whoop. Let's try this little trick. Let's see. That'll work. It's just those two are bridged, and I don't want that bridge. There we go. Nice. So far, I'm making very good progress. All right, that's all finished up now. I'm going to spray the area really quick. Take this off. Spray the area. Get all that little extra flux and stuff out of the way. I want the plastic bits cut. Nice. Ah, that's looking nice and clean. And I didn't break the connections. Progress. This is making good progress. So let's get all that flux in there again. Nice. Okay. And now for the absolutely terrifying part. Okay. Trying to get this on. Okay. 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 Okay, so that goes on. Just like right in there. Okay, this new one is tiny. I just need to get one singular solder joint on. Oh my gosh. Bro. There we go. Okay. Time to solder up. Now I'm not really looking to care about neatness when getting this on. I need it on because it's so small, and then from there I'll really worry about getting the precision down with the points. For now, I want this on. There we go. That's one side. It's not the nicest, but for now, it will do. And then oh, damn, I just realized it's not recording anymore. That's fine. You guys can still see me. Alright, so I guess I'm going to have to go the old-fashioned route. Whew, oh no. can't see, dang it. Alright, just go back to the other position. Just need it on. It's almost there. Is that on? Looks to be. Bingo. Sweet. So now, Lux always is good. I have to take it off this thing to get a good visual. Beautiful. Alrighty. Now, if we do everything correctly, and this is the both dangerous and fun part, we're gonna put that power supply straight onto the damn board. Oh. Yeah. Oh, first we should probably clean that up though. Where's my toothbrush? Ah, there. Make everything look nice. That's, I don't know how well you can see that, but ooh, GoPro. Nice. That looks pretty nice. Here, I'll try and zoom in. Yeah, it's the new one. Nice and shiny. Awesome. Oh, zoom out. Alrighty, so now that's out of the way. Ooh, oh my gosh, how hard is this thing to turn? Alright, so now that's out of the way. Yeah. Beautiful. Now that's out of the way. We need to get danger time to a degree. Safety. Alright. That's cool like that. This is the dodgiest crud ever. Put you right there. I'll probably put that underneath. No, I need something bigger. That's, yeah, that's there. We are assembling. Oh gosh, freaking chaos. Okay, alrighty, get that in. Okay, now I'm getting the HDMI port ready because I don't want this thing to overheat. I'm gonna just turn it on for a brief second. It's not gonna fully work because it doesn't have the hard drive plugged in, and that's kind of needed, and all the stuff isn't, done. So, fingers crossed. It's just number one, doesn't blow, which is the first one, which would be, really nice. Number two, turns on. Oh, the light should turn off. Yep, fan's going. I don't care. Damn, we got a picture. We did it. Woo! Alrighty. It's okay that it turned off. I'm unplugging that right away. Because this isn't fully down, and so it's not making a good connection. So that's fine. That's fine. But we have succeeded in the mission. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this really quick, clean everything up. This is gonna take another hour or so. That's a lot of footage. But that was only 16 minutes. That's clean. That's really clean. Alright, awesome. I will cut back to that later. I want to switch back to video mode real quick. I was just taking off all the heatsink and stuff. This is one of the worst dust things I've ever seen. Can you see that? What the heck? No wonder this thing died. And then the fan, I'm just gonna literally take off the fan right now. Oh, where'd the screw go? Take off the fan right now and show you how bad it is. There was nothing getting to that. That's all caked up in disgustingness. So I'm gonna go and clean that up right now. I kid you not, when I say, okay, so I was taking this all apart, right? You saw the time I think someone got a little hungry. Cause let's get this out. No, don't go deeper in. One of it. One of it. There we go. So, y'all want a Dorito? I got a little bit of a Dorito in the disk drive. Midnight snack now. Alright, I'm gonna get back to the timeline. Okay, so it's like, what time is it? I think it's like almost 11 o'clock at night. I know I've been on here for a while, but I finally got it working. The disk drive is not fully working, sadly. It won't eject it. It takes disks, but I'm guessing it's just the rotors are wonky, but check it out. I looked at the software. It's extremely old, and what's on it is even more surprising. It explains the chips. What's on the console explains the chips. You'll see in a moment. I got my controller all set up here. Yeah. It sounds great compared to the other one. Like airflow, incredible. I don't like that. This is the third party like little hard drive cover. It doesn't shut. I'm gonna probably return that. But just what I mean by it explains. Yeah. It explains the chips. Just log into one of these. So yeah, as you can see, I got the game going here. It is working. I'll load that up in a second. But look at all this stuff. Look at all this. So many. Grand Theft Auto, One Piece, Saint Row, Tekken, Star Wars. Fortunately, this game's great. You got Samurai Warrior, Way of the what? Samurai 3 trademark. Can't forget that trademark. Yeah, let's look at this. I'm curious to know what system software it is. What software version? Software version. How much storage do they have? Okay, that's gonna be calculating for a bit. Let's see. Date and time, language, system info. Oh wow, that's old. 10.50. Right, we are some old software here. All right, but you know what? That's nothing wrong with that. All right. Nothing wrong with some old software. Let's see now. How much system storage have they used? That's my question. So I'm curious to see. Because this was all but a motherboard when I found it. And now it's working. Now it's a full working PS4. Which is great. Oh. Only 126 gigabytes out of 408. I mean, like, that's not bad. It's not bad. So, absolute success. Next project, I got a PS2 upstairs that needs a disc replacement. I think I've got rummages in my stuff. I got, where did it go? Where'd my PS2s go? I had 3. I see one right here and one in here, but where'd my other 2 PS2s go? Who? Oh, they're there. There's my other. There, my PS2s. Up there's the 3. All right, there we go. Yeah, so PS2 that needs a hard, like, little disk drive swap. PS2 Slim, and that I've never worked in a Dreamcast before, so I'm very curious about this one. It boots up, but I wasn't able to connect it to the TV yet. And then I will explain this whole thing later. 13, 15 SNES consoles. Some of them are 1 chips. But yeah, absolute success. I'm happy with this. This was a nightmare, but also a fun nightmare. So, alright, till next time. Bye.